I get rich doing what I love. The universe will always serve my best interest. I am grateful for all the money I have now. I have a positive money mindset. Attracting money comes easily to me. My capacity to hold and grow money expands every day. I release all resistance to attracting money. I am grateful that I can contribute my money to the economy. I am debt free because money is constantly flowing into my life. I am open to receiving money in my life. The more I focus on joy, the more money I will make. Money flows to me in expected and unexpected ways. My finances improve beyond anything I could ever imagine. I have the power to attract wealth and money into my life. I know anyone can be wealthy, including me. I accept and receive unexpected money. I am open and receptive to all the wealth life offers me. I embrace new avenues of income. I welcome an unlimited source of income and wealth in my life. I release all negative energy over money. Every day I choose money and wealth. All the money I have brings me joy. I am worthy of a wealthy life. I love my abundant and positive life. The more I give, the more I receive. I thank the universe for the money that flows to me. I radiate positive prosperity, money, and wealth. If others can be wealthy, so I can. Today, no matter where I am, I focus on that which I want to see. All the resources I need are within me. I am abundant, rich, wealthy, deserving, worthy. I love my life and everything it provides me with. Abundance is all around me, in everything I do. My finances improve beyond my dreams. Money helps me experience freedom. Money and I can coexist in harmony. Money is my friend. I attract large sums of money into my life. Money is my servant. The Lord will give you more than you expect. He promises to give you strength when you think you are powerless. He promises to give you joy when you feel discouraged. He will make a way when everything looks impossible. Your spiritual, physical, and financial victory was just confirmed by God. Type yes to affirm. At the moment, you are experiencing a difficult time in your life. You are dealing with multiple circumstances as well as a lot of emotional pain. It feels like everything against you and that you will never be able to overcome this. But I want you to know that God is holding you in the palm of His hand and He will never let you go. He knows that this is a difficult time for you, but He promises that He will never forsake you. It is okay to feel overwhelmed and discouraged. It is also okay to not be okay. You are not immune to hardship and heartache. The important thing is that you don't give up. You keep going one day at a time. Because even on your darkest days, there is hope. There is always hope. And that hope comes from God. He is the giver of life and He knows what you are going through. He sees the tears you cry and He hears the prayers you pray. Whenever you are going through something, another thing happens before you can get through it. It is hard to see the end of the storm when it is still dragging on and on. You may not feel as though God is supporting you during this time, but please know that He is with you and you will get through this. Just like you always do, God is healing your body, your joy, and your finances right now. October is going to be a big month for you. I declare everything in your life will change. You will experience consecutive victories, healing, and unexpected blessings. Your life will be transformed and you will receive everything you had been praying for. Now, pray this prayer to be blessed today. Thank you, Father, for everything you have done for me. Today is yours, not mine. Today is a new day. Type yes to affirm it. A day for me to start fresh and make the most of it. I know that you have given me this day for a reason. The Lord has a word for you today. He is saying to you, surprises are coming. Get ready. Surprises are coming to His friends. The Father is saying to you, it is time to throw off your old shackles of grieving, your old shackles of despair, shackles of disappointment and loss. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to Positive Affirmations 1111.